Good morning, my dear students. Now we are going to discuss exercise 13.2, first problem onwards. First problem, the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder. Curved surface area of a right circular cylinder. So 2 pi r into h equal to of height 14 centimeter. That is, height equal to 14 centimeter given, but the 2 pi r h value 88 centimeter square given. Okay. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. So this is given. So we need to find 2r equal to what? So diameter. So 2 times of radius is the diameter. So for that r value we need to find, but here h value given. So therefore 2 pi r into h equal to 88 centimeter square means 2 into 22 divided by 7, because consider pi value 22 divided by 7. If it's not given anything means use 22 divided by 7, otherwise use pi equal to 3.14 maybe, into r into h value 14 equal to 88 centimeter square. Now we need to find r value. For that r equal to 88 into this denominator only comes to numerator and all the numerator comes to denominator. So 2 into 22 into 14. Now just 7, 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14. 1 2 2s are 4 4. 1 22 22, 2 22s are 44. 2 2 we can cancel. Therefore r equal to, here anything no, everything cancelled, so 1. So here centimeter squared, centimeter, so r is the length, so it's a centimeter, because here centimeter squared we are going to divide this by centimeter. This is the meaning here. So that's why here we are not going to use anything. Just write area means that unit square, length means that unit, volume means unit power 3. This thing use. Now the question is 2r. So that therefore diameter equal to diameter of the given form equal to 2r. That is 2 into 1. That is 2 centimeter. So idea given, curved surface area, height given, you can substitute here unknown value r. We need to find this r value. Using this r value we can find the diameter. That's all. Right. Now come to second problem. Question is, it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank. Cylindrical tank, closed cylindrical tank. Closed means, think about the cylinder, everything closed. Means this is the area, this is the area, this is also area. So we know that this is nothing but total surface area. So closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter. So height means we can consider height, given equal to given, we can write as height equal to 1 meter. Right. And base diameter. So base diameter means diameter. 2r equal to, write as diameter, height, everything. 2r equal to 140 centimeter. This thing given. From a metal sheet, we can make this one by using metal sheet. Question is, how many square meter of the sheet are required to make the same? How many square meter of the metal sheet means, this is the, suppose a plate, here 1 meter, this is a 1 meter. So this area is nothing but square meter. So we know that the area is a square, square means meter square. How many meter square? So the question is just to find the total surface area, but we need to use the unit meter square meter. So this one is a square meter is given. So this is your choice. First itself we can convert your meter into centimeter. If you have centimeter answer, convert your centimeter answer into meter. Suppose, think about the question. If it's meter, no, we can change first itself everything into meter. So best idea, it's my opinion is initially just convert your centimeter into meter. So why I want to tell this means our answer is everything comes to square meter, square centimeter and all. If you have centimeter square, then we need to convert by meter square form. You need to think about centimeter square means 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. For that we need to convert your meter means we need to divide by 1000, divide by 100. So 1 by 100 into 1 by 100 is also meter. So we need to divide by 1 by 10,000. So our things 1 centimeter squared equal to 1 by 100 meter squared. This is wrong one. So better initial just check the question given data and also questions. The question is find square centimeter means convert your meter into centimeter. Suppose square meter means convert your centimeter into meter. In the same way you can think about the cost. You are going to spend the cost per centimeter square, per meter square, this thing. If you have per centimeter square, convert your thing into centimeter. If you have, the question is per meter square cost is given, means convert your thing into meter. So as per question, convert your given data into the particular unit. This idea just to follow, it is a useful thing to write. So now just we need to find the square plate. You know that we can form a cylindrical form, closed cylindrical form by using plates. We need a bottom also circular form, top also circular, sides also circular. Right. So we need to convert into meter. So therefore H is equal to 1 meter okay. R equal to 140 divided by 2 centimeter, that is 70 centimeter. But R we need to convert into meter. For that we need to divide by 100 meter. One thing you can cancel, so 0.7 because 10 no, so 0.7 meter. R equal to 0.7 meter and H is equal to 1 meter. So total surface area of cylinder. You know the 2 pi r into H plus R. So our idea we need to convert into meter. After that use this thing. So now 2 into 22 divided by 7 into R value 0.7, H value 1 meter. So 1 plus R value 0.7. So 2 into 22 divided by 7 into 0.7 into 1 plus 0.7, 1.7. 1, have to add here 0.7, put 0 here. So here 7, put the decimal, so 1.7. Now we can cancel, put 1, how many decimal? 1 decimal, so put 0.1. Now find this product, you can get the value. 2 into 22 into 0.1 into 1.7 is 7.48 units. We convert into meter, so it's a meter square. So H value and R value we need to convert into meter. H is already meter, R is we need to convert into meter and substitute in the total surface area cylindrical form. Now to third problem. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. H is equal to 77 centimeter. It's given. The inner diameter of the cross section is 4 centimeter. Inner diameter, outer diameter, this thing is given. So inner diameter I am going to consider smaller. Diameter no. So 2r equal to it's 4 centimeter. Right. Next, outer diameter. I am going to use this thing 2 into capital R equal to 4.4 centimeter. Next is question. So you may think about the cylindrical form. Suppose this is the cylindrical form. Here from center to outside edge, that is now this is the cylinder. Inside is open like a hollow cylinder. Now we need to find the inner surface area, that is inside. Inside means just a small one. Outside means just a bigger one. Okay. And third one is find the total surface area. Inside, okay, this is inside thing. Outside it's given, we already find, that is outside. What is the thickness? This is the thickness, no? We need to find this thickness. Recall, just top view is nothing but circle. In that circle we need to find this third order region. Here R value are different. We need to find this third order region. So bigger circle area minus smaller circle area is nothing but the third order region. Okay. So this idea we are going to follow to find the given question. So we have a two data, no? So radius only given, inner outer, so we need to give the difference, so that I am given smaller and capital R. You may use small r1 and small r2, r1, r2 also. This is your choice. Now we need to give small one, bigger one, so that's why small r, capital R. That's it. Okay. Now first question, this is our cylinder. Bigger. It is a cylinder, inner side. So inner side height is given 77 centimeter and diameter given 2 or it's 4 centimeter. So first question, so h is equal to 77 centimeter, no problem. Now 2r equal to 4 centimeter means r equal to 4 by 2 centimeter, that is 2 centimeter. Now we have two data. Using this we can find the question. Inner curved surface area. So therefore curved surface area of inner cylinder. So 2 pi r into h. So that is 2 into 22 divided by 7 into r value 2 and h value 77. Cancel this 11. So find the product. So this product answer is 968 centimeter square. So I write here first one 968. So first question answer is just the same inner thing, inner curved surface area. Now come to second one, outer. That is suppose they are somewhat bigger, no, but you may think the height are equal. So height is given 77. Here diameter 4.4 centimeter. So for that h is equal to no problem 77 centimeter, and 2 capital R equal to 4.4 centimeter means capital R equal to 4.4 divided by 2, that is 2.2 centimeter. Now curved surface area of outer cylinder, equal to 2 pi capital R h square. Instead of small r I am going to use capital R. So 2 into 22 divided by 7 into capital R value 2.2 into h value as it is 77. Just to cancel this, find the product. I am already find the product. So this answer is 1064.8 centimeters. I am going to write second answer 1064.8. Now come to third one, total surface area. We have this one, no. Okay. We are looking that it's a hollow cylinder. Now we need to study about the total surface area of the hollow cylinder. So third one, just look out the curved surface area. So that is first one, second one. So curved, inner curved surface area. So we need to write the word. So for that I am going to write the formulas directly. So total surface area equal to first think about the curved surface area. Why? So already we have a cylinder in place. First we need to think about curved surface area 2 pi r into h plus bottom 1 pi r square plus top 1 pi r square. This is the total surface area. So that's why 2 pi r into h plus pi r square, no, so 2 pi r square. So here common 2 pi r, because we can write r square as r into r. So 2 pi r into h plus r. So we written directly total surface area is 2 pi r into h plus r. So now total surface area we need to find. Okay, this idea only I am going to use. 2 pi r h only outer side. Here we have inner hollow cylindrical form. So hollow cylindrical form means inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area. So that is visible area. This is the inner, no, this is also total surface area included. Outer also included, this edge also included. So these three things we need to add. So for the first inner curved surface area. So we return total surface area as first one, no. So inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area and top and bottom. So I am going to write this three thing addition. Inner curved surface area as 2 pi small r into h. Inner side, that's a small. First answer actually. Then 2 pi capital R into h. This is the second answer actually. And come to top and bottom. Already we discussed 2 pi r into h plus why only one outer side only we return here in that total surface area of cylinder. Suppose total surface area of cylinder equal to this thing we can write 2 pi r h plus pi r square plus pi r square. Okay. So this idea only I am going to use. This thing I splitted as inner and outer. We returned smaller and capital return. Now we need to write this thing. No. So this is pi r squared means the top view and the bottom view. This view is a total circle. So just look at that. This is the circle. This region is pi r squared. Area of the pi r squared. Okay. Now come to this. Now we have a hollow cylinder. No. This is the saddle region. Now think about this is your capital R. This is your small r. So this area is bigger area pi r square capital R square minus small r square, that is small pi r square. So pi equal but capital R square minus small r square. We have this idea. Using this I am going to use this thing. So we have this idea. For that I am going to use this thing. So bottom and top we have two sides. So 2 into pi capital R square minus pi small r square. So pi common. So 2 pi into capital R square minus small r square. So I am going to use this idea plus 2 pi into capital R square minus small r square. This idea. So for that, so already you have this answers. So don't think about this 2, 2, 2. Because this 2, 2, 2, don't find this value alone, because already this is the first answer, this is the second answer, this only we need to find this one. So here this first one is 968 plus second one is 1064.8 plus 2 into 22 divided by 7 into capital R value just 4.4 divided by 2.2 the whole square minus small r value 2, so 2 square. So now we need to find this value alone. So 968 plus 1064.8 plus 2 into 22 divided by 7 into 2.2 square is 4.84. 2 square value 4. So 4.84 minus 4 is 0.84. So 4.84, here 4, put the 0, so here 4, 8, 0. So 0.84. So just to cancel this point, 1 7s are 7, remaining 1, so 0.1. So find this total answer. This total answer is 2038.08. So everything centimeter, so centimeter square. So here you have the formula of hollow cylinder. Total surface area we need to find 2 pi r h, 2 pi capital R h, 2 pi into capital R square minus small r square. For that we can consider 2 pi common, 2 pi common, 2 pi common. No, remaining we can write as a formula. This thing already we studied. Now we need to solve fourth problem. The diameter of the roller means it's a cylindrical form. So 2r equal to 84 centimeter and the length h equal to 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolution. So r equal to, just we need to divide by 2, 42 centimeter. Think about the road roller. In the road roller contact area, suppose first revolution it may be starting point of this one. After that it covers certain area. No, for the second revolution is third revolution. So like that, using 500 revolution we can level the ground. So 500 curved surface area. So this is the actual question. So the total area, therefore curved surface area of cylinder we know that 2 pi r into h. The is 2 into 22 divided by 7 into R value 42 into 120. Everything centimeter we can use. So using 500 curved surface area. This is the meaning of our 500 revolve division. So that is 500 curved surface area. This is the meaning. So actually we are going to write, therefore to level the area, to level the ground, the total area equal to the total curved surface area equal to. So 500 into 2 into 22 divided by 7 into 42 into 120 equal to 500 into everything as it is. 2 into 22 divided by 7 into 42 into 120. Cancel this, 6 4s are 22. After finding this product, you may write as 1584 with 40. Everything centimeter square. Now only we need to think about that question. I am already insist you just convert everything as per the question. The question is find the area of the playground in meters square. I can convert first itself. Suppose we find this answer. We have this answer. How to convert into meter? This idea I am going to give. So for that, for per centimeter, we need to convert that 1 by 100 meter. So 1584 with the 40 into 1 by 100 into 1 by 100 for each centimeter. It's meter square. Cancels all zeros. So 1584 meter. So this is the actual answer. The same way, suppose for 500 evaluation, we may convert your R equal to meter is divided by 100, 0.42 meter. Here H is equal to divided by 100, so 1.2 meter. For 500 evaluation, 500 into 2 into 22 divided by 7 into 0.42 into 1.2. You can cancel this. Don't write 6 7s are 42 as 0.6. Think about here 2 decimal no, so that we need to write 0.06. Many of them make mistake in this area. So 0.42 divided by 7 means directly 6 7s are 42, therefore 0.6. Don't write like that. Here we have 2 decimal, therefore 0.06. Because for first decimal no, put here point no, so that 0 point. 4 is less than 7, put another 0, then 42. 42 is 6 7s are 42. So after this product we may be write 1584 meters square. You can use any one. Now come to just to put the problem. A cylindrical pillar. So it's given as a pillar, cylindrical form. This is a pillar, cylindrical form. So for that 50 centimeter in diameter. So 2R equal to 50. Right. And 3.5 meter height. This height is 3.5 meter. So height equal to 3.5 meter. Right. Find the cost of paint the curved surface area of the pillar at the rate of 12.50 per meter square. Everything we need to convert into meter. So curved surface area we need to find and finally multiply by 12.5. This is the total cost, but we need to convert into meter. So R equal to 50 divided by 2 centimeter equal to 25 centimeter. But we need to convert into meter no. So 25 divided by 100 equal to 0.25 meter. H as it is. Therefore, curved surface area equal to 2 pi f h. So 2 into 22 divided by 7 into 0.25 into 3.5. Cancel this. 5 7s are 35. 1 decimal also 0.5. Find this product. You may write as 5.5 meter square. So per meter square cost is 12.5. Therefore 5.5 meter square painting cost equal to. Therefore the cost of the pillar at the rate of 12.5 per meter square 12.5. Yes, we need to write the sentence. Yes, cost. Just write this thing, but we need to write as the cost of the pillar. The cost of the pillar. What we want to? We need to paint. The total area is 5.5. So that right side value. So sentence we need to frame. So you may go to your question. Find the cost of painting the curved surface area of the pillar at the rate of 12.5 per meter square is. The cost of painting the pillar at the rate of 12.5 meter square is, that is equal to 5.5 into 12.5. After finding this product, you may write to be 68.75. This is the answer. Thank you.